Okay, so I've got a Swiss Army knockoff. As you can see, it looks just like a Swiss Army knife. I honestly have no idea what the hell this thing is for. Maybe it's like for picking your nose? No. No, definitely not for that. Okay. Oh boy. You know what? A lot of these cheap ones are really, really difficult to get the parts open for. Let me see if I can. Come on. Oh, let me try something else. Wow. Okay. Holy crap, that was difficult. Sorry about that. So, we've got what appears to be a can opener. Oh, let me show you what's on the back here. Ow! I don't like this knife. Corkscrew. And where's the blade? Oh, lovely. It's one large blade with some kind of green goop on it. And I will try to get this other thing again, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. Well, I know what it is. It's just a flathead screwdriver, actually, but I can't get it out. So you'll just have to trust me on that. Come on, come on. Okay. Alright, oh, and, of course, keychain belt thingy. See you next time.